Okay, lesson 27. First thing says, find the related angle for an angle whose measure is 190 degrees. So first of all, on an axis, we're going to draw a 190 degree angle. I know that's just going to be past the 180 degree mark. Okay, so if this is 190 degrees, the related angle is going to be the angle that's created back to the x-axis. So if this whole thing is 190, then obviously to here is 180. So the related angle here would be 10 degrees. So in number 2, when it says find the related angle for an angle whose measure is 136. So again, 136 is going to be over in this quadrant. It's more than 90, it's less than 180. So the related angle is going to be the angle that's created when you draw it back to the x-axis, so this one right here. So of course to find this one, you would do 180 minus 136. So you're going to have a 44 degree angle. Okay, in number 3, it says evaluate 2 times the sine of 135. And this is without a calculator. So the sine of 135. So again, we're going to draw 135 degree angles over here. And then we're going to draw the related angle, but we're going to create a right triangle with it. So the related angle is 45 degrees. If that's 45, so is that one. Across from 45 is 1. This is a square root of 2. Because this is in the negative direction, that one's negative. But it asks you for the sine, right? So we're going to have 2 times the sine of 135, which is going to be the sine of this angle right here. Sine here is 1 over the square root of 2. So we've got 2 over the square root of 2. Now you need to rationalize the denominator. And you'll get 2 times the square root of 2 over the square root of 4, which is 2. Simplify that, and you get the square root of 2. Okay, so for this one, let's do a 150 degree angle. 150 degrees is still in that same quadrant. It's in the second quadrant. So you just have to figure out which quadrant you're in. Draw the related angle, turn it into a triangle. Figure out what this is. It would be 30. So across from that is 1. That has to be 60. That's the square root of 3, and this is 2. In this quadrant, this one is negative. So what I'm doing is I'm doing negative 3 times the cosine of this angle right here. Cosine of this is negative square root of 3 over 2. So that's going to give me a positive 3 times the square root of 3 over 2. So I hope that helps.